Welcome back to Mech Tech Bro. If you are following our JavaScript for Beginner series, you have already completed part 1 to part 7.0, and this video is the continuation of the part 7.0, and you are now watching JavaScript tutorial for beginners part 7.1. If you are enjoying this series, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support the channel and never miss the next part. Today's topic is about common array methods. Common array methods. Common array methods are built-in JavaScript functions that allow you to add, remove, modify, search or transform elements inside an array easily and efficiently. And they help developers to perform common operations on array without writing a complex logic and making the code cleaner and more readable. In today's session in common array methods, I am going to explain about push, pop, shift and unshift. The remaining methods I will explain you in upcoming sessions. So stay tuned and let's move to Visual Studio Code. Let me use the single line comment here. In today's topic in common array methods, the first one I am going to explain about push. Now let me write the push here. Push. See here, the push is nothing but the push method adds one or more elements to the end of an array and returns the new length of an array. Keep that in mind. Okay, let me write the syntax for you guys. Syntax array dot push okay, element 1 comma element 2 comma element 3 and so on. Okay, this is the syntax of a push method. Now let me explain you with a simple example for you guys. Let me use the multi-line comment for this syntax. Now asterisk for stopping it, asterisk and slash. Now let me write the example for you guys. Let me use the example push. Okay, see here, let numbers equal to let numbers equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, in this array I provided 3 elements. Okay, first let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, and numbers dot push now let me provide 4 here. Console dot log numbers. Okay, let me explain you what is this code about. Here numbers I provided 3 elements 1, 2 and 3, and the element 4 is added at the end of an array. You guys can check here, numbers dot push, this 4 will be added to this array at the end. Okay, now you guys can, let me run this code. Go to index.html, right click and open with the live server. Right click, go to inspect and go to console. Now you guys can check here. In 0 index 1 is there, in first index 2 is there, and in second index 3 is there, and in third index 4. So the now length of these numbers is 4 because this 4 is added at the end of this array. Okay, I hope you guys understand push method. Now let me provide multi-line comment for this. Asterisk and slash. Let me use the single line comment here. Now next method is about pop. Pop is nothing but the pop method removes the last element from an array and returns the removed element. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me write the syntax for you guys. Let me use the multi-line comment for this. Syntax and array dot pop. Okay, see here, array dot pop is the syntax. Okay, use asterisk symbol and slash for stopping it. Now let me explain you with a simple example for you guys. See here, let me use the single line comment example pop. Okay, now let me write the example. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let numbers equal to array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, okay, I'm just taking four elements here. Numbers dot pop, numbers dot pop, numbers dot pop, and console dot log numbers. Console.log numbers. Now let me explain you what is this code about for you guys. See here, the last element 4 will be removed because I used numbers.pop. This last element will be removed. Now let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. Here only 3 elements are there, 1, 2 and 3. The 4th element is missing because 4th element was removed from the array. Now length of this array is numbers is 3 elements. You guys can check here. The 4th one is eliminated from this array. I hope you guys understand pop method also. Let's move to next method, which is shift. Let me apply multi-line comment for this. For stopping it, asterisk and slash. Let me use the single line comment here. Shift method. Okay, shift. See here, shift method is nothing but it removes the first element from an array and returns that element. Okay, now you guys can check here. I am writing the syntax of a shift. Let me provide a multi-line comment for this. Syntax. See here, array dot shift. Okay, let me use the multi-line comment. Let me stop this multi-line comment. Now let me write the one simple example so that you guys can understand properly. Okay, let me use the single line comment example shift. For avoiding your confusion, I am writing with the names in the example. Just note it down. Let numbers equal to, let me write the numbers here, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, numbers dot shift console.log numbers. Okay, see here, the first element 1 will be removed here. First element 1 is removed. Okay, all the remaining elements shift to the left side. Okay, now check here. Let me run this code. Now you guys can check here. Previously in 0 index 1 is there, and first index 2 is there, and second index 3 is there. But as you can see here, now 0 index 2 is there, in first index 3 is there. So first element 1 is removed. Okay, I hope you guys understand shift method also. Let's move to next method, which is unshift. Let me use the multi-line comment for this. Asterisk for stopping it, asterisk and slash. Let me use the single line comment here. Unshift, unshift. Okay. See here, the unshift method adds one or more elements to the beginning of an array and returns the new length. Okay, keep that in mind. Now let me write the syntax for you guys. Syntax. Let me use the multi-line comment for this syntax. Array dot unshift, array dot unshift, element 1, comma, element 2, comma, and so on. Okay, this is the syntax of unshift. Now let me explain you guys with a simple example of unshift. Example unshift. First let me write the code, then I will explain you clearly what is that code about. Okay, let numbers equal to two comma 3. Okay, numbers dot unshift, and I'm taking 1 here. Okay, console.log numbers dot log numbers. See here, let me explain you what is this code about now. See, the element 1 is added at the start of the array. As you can see here, I provided numbers dot unshift 1. As per the syntax I provided here, you guys can check array dot unshift and elements. In the element place I took 1. Okay, this element 1 is added at the start of the array and existing elements move to the right side. Let me run this code here. Now you guys can check. See here, now in 0 index the 1 is there, in first index 2 is there, and second index 3 is there. Previously I have 2 is in 0 index, okay, and 3 is in first index. Now in 0 index the 1 is added here. Okay, because I provided 1 unshift numbers dot unshift 1. The 1 will be added at the beginning of an array. I hope you guys understand these 4 common array methods, which are push, pop, shift and unshift. And in upcoming session I am going to explain the remaining methods. If you enjoyed the content in today's video, please like, share and subscribe. It motivates me to create more videos. Thank you.